Hello, my friend. It's Wayne, and these are exciting times. I know you're flat out excited. I'm excited for you. So you probably already wrote down your goals, a 90-day goal. Probably should have a 30-day goal too, but 90 days is fine. A year goal and a 2 to 3 year goal. Set those goals to your business partner that enrolled you so we can map out a game plan because we want you to have massive success. The next steps is setting up your default to the left so everyone that you bring in as you launch your business will fall on that power leg, and that way we're going to be placing people in their organization. You're going to be placing people in their organization. They're going to get excited just like you did. They're going to upgrade, and every single time you do that, it's boom, $200 commissions, $200 commissions, $200 commissions. So I'm excited for you. The video following this will be the step-by-step instructions to set the default to the left. It'll take you 30 seconds. It's simple. Just follow the steps, and I'll talk to you on the next video. Bye-bye for now. Okay, my friends, go to your back office and click on dashboard. This is going to set your leg to the left, and you're going to go down here and you're going to see click here for placement tool. Okay, click there. And just come over here, it'll say alternate legs. It should say left. We just do this to verify, make sure. Make sure it says left and then click save and you're good to go. Now everybody you bring on will fall into that power leg. They'll get excited, they'll get emails, and they will upgrade at the end of the week just like you did, and you'll get paid every single time you do that. Welcome to the team. I'll be sending you more information soon. Bye-bye for now.